This class has so far really given me the basics of what process controls is from a controller standpoint, and learning the logic and the coding while practicing it and learning in class, figure out, oh, I can implement this in the process pretty easily, and understanding how to translate what I'm learning to real-world application.
I'm looking to just learn the basics of the PLC itself and programming, and be able to take that back to the facilities I work with and just troubleshoot and have a better understanding of how our equipment is working. So in this class, you have both lecture and lab. You have the opportunity to learn in the classroom and then take it into the lab and work hands-on, which I think is great for all types of learners.
I definitely enjoy the hands-on lab experience more, but I don't think I would understand it nearly as well without the lecture piece and the background and understanding why things work the way they work.
As a supervisor of multiple plant mechanics, I'm hoping that I can take back things that I've learned in this class and help them learn on a basic level. I think that's great for both myself and the plant mechanic, where we can kind of teach ourselves and have a better understanding of what the integrators were trying to do or accomplish when they were writing the program.